Today, we will be testing a new trend indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing thousands of indicators and strategies, and I'm testing more every single day here on the channel. I've taken the information from my testing and compiled that into spreadsheets. And if you are interested in getting access to the original 1,100 plus tested indicators that took me over 3 years of testing to put together, you can get access absolutely free. Just click the link down below in the description that says 1100 plus free indicator list here. All right, as I said, today we will be testing a new trend indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 685 different strategies, with 186 of them being winners. And so far, since we've been using the Nexus backtest indicator, we've tested the most recent 98 different strategies. And out of those 98 different strategies, we have made every single one either more profitable than the original strategy or profitable when the original strategy wasn't, using the Nexus backtest indicator to optimize the strategy or indicator. And so far, since we've been testing, the single best weekly profit from one single strategy has been $7,300. Before we get on with today's video, I realized I've never actually showed the spreadsheet here on the channel. And I feel like there's a lot of value here for the patrons of the channel. People might want to see what it is that they would be getting. So what we have here is the title of the source video. We have a link to the video that I made on the strategy. We have the win rate. Then here in blue is the really interesting stuff done with Nexus. We have a link to the layout, the win rate of the modified version, and its profit per week, as well as the indicator that I made if there is a custom indicator. And within this little bitty column right here, this is the settings that I changed within Nexus to get to these more profitable versions, which really helps the patrons understand what makes a profitable strategy. But the really cool things are these links right here. These are the forward testing links. So forward testing basically means we put Nexus into an environment where it forward tests the strategy like it's live trading in the market. And these are the links to that. And the ones marked with the green here means that they are profitable strategies in forward testing, generally over a couple hundred trades, or at least 100 trades, and a reasonable amount of profit. So we'll just run through 3 of them real quick. You can see this one right here has $635 profit per week. It's been trading for 2 months. This one here, over 2 months, almost 3, we have $784 in profit weekly. And then this one right here has only been trading for 24 days, but it has almost $1,800 a week in profit. So you can see how valuable these layouts and these links are to these forward testing. And it really gives you confidence that you can jump in with these strategies and hopefully continue to earn money with them. All right, let's go ahead and get back to today's testing. All right, as I said, today we will be testing a new trend indicator. And the source video says you are doomed to lose. And so the source video says you are doomed to lose trades until you fix this. The source video's title is pretty straightforward, I guess you could say. No super wild claims. I mean, you are going to take a losing trade, so being doomed to take a losing trade, yeah, I mean, you are going to. As far as fixing it with this one particular thing, that's a little bit on the presumptuous side, but of course, it is what it is. And so we will put this strategy, or I guess I should say this indicator, to the test anyways. Now, the source video does go on to kind of show like a full strategy, but it also shows one particular indicator that I thought was interesting. And before we went on to test the full strategy, I actually wanted to test just that indicator, and that's what we're going to be doing today. And that indicator that we have on screen, or is going to be the trend levels indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. I'll go ahead and turn it on here so you can see. All right, there you go. So basically what we have is this indicator that's identifying trend levels, essentially. And it's doing so and adding in these purple tags and green tags like this here green for an uptrend, purple for a downtrend. And that's what I wanted to test because I thought it was a really interesting new kind of idea. It's not a new indicator necessarily, but kind of a unique version. And so what I did was just coded an indicator that simply looked for those labels, and when it did, it would give either a green up arrow or a red down arrow like this here. So for a long trade setup, all we are looking for is just a green up arrow like this. And that'll be our signal to enter into a long trade. We'd set it right there, put our stop just right below this little pivot here, and target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward to put it right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see price just kind of chopping around a little bit before making this steady climb to the upside, getting us to our take profit. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the numbers on this indicator. So we'll just exit out of the bar replay here. Let's go ahead and turn on the Nexus backtest indicator. Give it a moment to load the results. Okay, so we have almost a 36% win rate, 219 trades altogether. We looked back about 21,000 bars on about 3 months worth of trading. Puts our total profit and loss at negative $14,428. Puts our total profit and loss per week at negative $953. And so using it just for its face value as far as long trades and entry trades, at least on these particular settings, it didn't work out that great. Now, of course, we played around with it and came up with this version here. So now we have a 44% win rate, just a little over 223 trades. Again, about 21,000 bars, but this time about 10 months worth of trading. And it puts our total profit and loss at a gain of $10,190. Puts our total profit and loss per week at $226. And all we did was just bump this to a 15-minute time frame. And so everything else stayed on, again, the settings that we used just a moment ago. And so we have the 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. We enter a trade. We put the stop at our last swing low or swing high, and we play out the trade until it hits either stop or take profit, and then look for the next signal and just continue the profit process, I should say. And that gave us this right here. And of course, we didn't stop there. So now we have this version here. So a little over 47% win rate now, 421 trades altogether. We are down on the 5-minute time frame again, so about 3 months worth of trading, but now our total profit and loss is at a gain of $39,682. Puts our total profit and loss per week at a gain of $2,625. So significantly better results. And of course, I'll add all this information to the spreadsheet that the patrons of the channel will receive. All right, so that's going to do it for this indicator here. Now, what I didn't mention a moment ago is that if you are interested in getting access to the Nexus backtest indicator, you can do so by joining the Discord down below in the description. Go to the Nexus backtest channel and follow the instructions in that channel to gain access. Please don't request access through any other means. It won't be granted. And so all around, that's it for this indicator here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list because the original wasn't very profitable. We'll note the more profitable versions that the patrons get on the spreadsheet, and we'll move on to the next video from here.